Hi, I'm Bill Bookhammer from Ansley RV. Today we're going to take a look at the 2023 Montana 3901 rear kitchen. So I'm just going to kind of brush over some things and go over some of the basics so you get an idea of what it looks like and what it has. So starting on the outside, you'll see it has very large compartments underneath. Storage under here has central vac. On the other side, which we can go to later, you'll see that's where your controls are to operate. Obviously, each one of these has a tank, LP tank on each side. Over here, you'll notice ground steps, which is a good feature a lot of people like. No pitching up and down on the steps. Slide toppers on the slides. And back here, we have, because this is a rear kitchen, so because it goes up, they're able to take advantage of it and get a lot of storage underneath. You'll see how large this is, including, we're kind of on a hill, and as funny as it would be for me to tumble down it, I'm not going to do that, so we're just going to take a look here. And we have a slide out tray that comes out. It actually goes out a little bit further, but I was running out of space on the back side here. But as you can see, just a lot of storage. And we can go to the other side here. Right here's your control center. You have Key TV, which is a feature specific to Keystone. And basically what that does is things like the television are all into a central control panel. So there's no splitting when it comes to like televisions and a lot of the appliances and stuff like that. And inside here, you have your auto leveling system. And then you have another rear access door to that storage compartment underneath with the sliding tray on this side. Obviously has the ladder on the back, backup camera prep, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the inside. So on the inside here, this is the living quarters. So we have big 50-inch screen TV here. We've got a large fireplace, doesn't take the LP, so it'll just go off the electric. Obviously your speaker system, you've got cabinetry up top here, and you have your dinette. This pulls out and extends, and there are two foldable chairs that are stored underneath the bed to get 4 chairs total out of that. So over here we have a fold-out sofa, very comfortable sofa, nice for watching the TV, and over here you have your heated and massage recliners on this side. And so let's go up into the kitchen and take a look. So in the kitchen here, first thing you'll notice, well, I'm 6'1", and you see the headroom you have, even though this goes up, got a lot of head space up here. We've got a convection microwave here, and we have a large oven, and this is what's really cool. We have soft close, not haunted, closes by itself. Soft closed drawers, all of them are soft closed, help you out. And over here, we have a residential size fridge, refrigerator up top, and then you have your freezer down below. And the refrigerator just runs off of electric. What we have here, large sink, pull away spray nozzle, pretty much same thing that you'd have at your home. And over here, you can see there's lots of cupboard space. If you look around this kitchen and start counting cupboards, you're gonna see there's a lot of storage space in here. So it's a really nice feature to have. So there's all kinds of stuff going on here. And here's the bathroom. And this is one of 2 bathrooms that are in this. And look how large this thing is. This thing's just huge. The ceilings, like I said, I'm 6'1", I'd have to jump to touch those ceilings up there. Just really nice looking, uses the whitewash finish. Just really nice. All right, so inside the bedroom here, we have the king size bed, which I think is fantastic. And up above, you'll see they've took advantage of having shelving units, and you'll notice that a lot of them, sometimes they're down low and you kind of bump into them. So they were pretty smart by putting them up above. And of course you'll have USB ports on both sides along with outlets. You can see in the back there you have some reading light, and you also have a second air unit that is right inside the bedroom here. This bed also comes up so you have storage space underneath. You'll see those are the chairs that I talked about earlier. Just tuck away nicely underneath the bed. Opposite side of the bed, we obviously have nice 32-inch smart TV. And as you can see, we've got good lighting, and we've got lots of storage. Lots of storage in here. Again, soft close, keeps from everything from slamming shut. Now let's take a look at the master bath. All right, so master bath has large shower, as you can see, and right above it on the roof, it actually has a fan system, vent system, and it's actually rain censored, so it'll close if it starts raining, which is a really nice feature. As far as the sinks go, you notice you have two, so you can share, or you don't have to share, should I say. And you have good lighting. If you're ever in this thing, just start counting drawers and cabinetry. It's everywhere. You have plenty of storage on the inside of this. They did a great job with it. All right, so now let's take a look at the walk-in closet. Here's the walk-in closet. You can see how big this thing is. I mean, it's another room. So you have your washer and dryer prep in there. You have good lighting in there, and it's just, this thing is enormous. I was really impressed the first time I saw this. I was actually really shocked of how big it was. I mean, you literally just walk in. It's like a small room. I'm Bill Bookhammer from Ansley RV. Thanks for taking a look at our 2023 Montana 3901 rear kitchen. Hope to see you. Come in, take a look. It's always better to look in person, and I think you'll be as impressed as I am with this thing.